51, 54. Now getting it out from the inside of
Come
the
on,
red.
buddy. Come on. Yeah!
07 stands up. Is dead. 19 also stalled.
Come on, buddy.
51, Trishelle Albert still had it.
Come on, Jerome.
Wisconsin.
Come on, Jay. Come on, Jay. Come on, Rome.
Might be a tough break for her over
Oh,
there.
fuck. Come on, buddy.
51. Could be down to 5.
Come on, Jay.
51. Only 53 and 19.
Come on, Jay. Yeah! Come on, Jay.
07.
Yeah, fuck it. Come on, Jay.
51, 53 still in it. 19, back and running once again. 07 is out. 07 is
Ah!
out. 4 powers still in. Keep it moving. 19, 317 right now. Come on, 51. Back it up. 4 powers still there. shut it down. Car number 7, shut it down. He doesn't know what his number is. Chris Brownell, you're not running good. I don't know what to tell you. You're running on like 2 cylinders. Everyone else is pounding one another.
Yes, go! Woo!
17, 42. Powers have only 17 and 43. Trying to get a shot on the front end. 43 with good contact. Your winner, last car, able to move and make contact. I don't think he's ever won this event before here at the championship. So again, let's... All right, both of them going in, both of them making good contact.
Oh shit.
61 trying to spin it around, get 91 over there in the top. Pretty big.
Jesus!
Good shot. Line it up now for a rear shot. He's got him where he wants him right now. 61. Going forward in that top. Now he's 90 pounded up. Actually, maybe helping him out a little bit. Still in the buck.
Stay right there.
Running out about 4 cylinders. One in again. And another nice front end shot by Trevor Robinson. there. All right, you've got it. Your winner, number 90, Nick Robson from Boston Spa. Framed that up a little bit on the front end, but other than that, 4 good tires and big rest, and he'll be ready to go for the feature event. You want to leave your car right out on the trip?
Nice.
Yo! Alright, in it right now, all 5. 26C might be having a problem. Finally just got it moving a little bit. All with contact. 76. Head back. Now forward. Looking for a shot. 76 now with good contact. 11 to 26C. 2 is caught in the ball. Keep it away from that side. It is looking over there. 5 of them still at it. Looking for 2 more. Keep it moving. Keep on hitting. There we go. Nice shot. And car number 2 is Condon. He's got the hardest hit so far. 11 just missing. 76. Looking for a hit. Come on, back him up. Push the pedal down. Let's go. There we go. 2 again with contact. 11 and 75 with light hits. 26 having problems. Keeps on stalling. 76 now with a good hit. Pushing it up. Yeah, once in a while the seatbelt gets tight. 1176 right now. 75 with contact. Spread them out, push the pedals down. 76 and 75 with light contact. 26 feet. 75 now with a good shot. Red flag, hold it up, drivers, hold it up. Hold it up, do not move. I know 11 was having a problem with the seatbelt. It was extremely tight on him. It's loose now, but... We actually had a driver last time. We were in Middletown, New York, and when the guy put the chain on the door, he put it around the seatbelt. So we had to stop. Go! 4 cars right now, still moving. Edward Mason, car number 11, 75, Douglas Stewart.
Oh, doggy.
Keep it moving, car number 2. Lucas Condon. And then turned around, car number 76. And back, Tom Mason with a nice shot at number 11. 26C is out. We are officially down to 4, looking for the last 2. Letting the movement in contact. Keep it going, keep on moving. 11, the throttle must not be working. 2 now with a shot, 75, 76. 76 appears to be running on about 4 of his 6 cylinders. Could be down to 75 and 2.
Come on, doggy.
So 76 and 11, both of them are having issues with their cars, but still able to move and make some type of contact. 2 and 75, couple flat tires, but the tires have been running strong. All of a sudden 76 starts running good. Now it's out. 75 coming in with good contact on this duel. Could turn it into
75 to come
a
dual.
out here. 75 is still running strong with a flat tire on the front. So still in the action, Douglas dual, 75, strong running car. 76, John Mason. Number 2, Lucas Condon. And number 11, Edward Mason. 11 now having problems. He is on the to move and make contact. 76 does make contact. Going 75 might have done a lot of damage to the front end of car number 2. He installed now 76, 75. And 2 trying to get it moving. 75, 76 right now. Down to 3 and only 3. 11 is out. 2 is on the clock to move and make contact. You got it, 75.